Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Tyrone back with Tech Life, and this is another rapid fire video. Verizon to deliver 5G ultra wideband at 7 Air Force Reserve Command installations. So again, Verizon was chosen by the federal government, which expands their federal government portfolio. Everybody wants a piece of the pie on this. T-Mobile is actively pursuing these types of contracts. AT&T as well. These are lucrative because this is the Verizon helping the military transform their digital platforms. So this is big. In return, Verizon will be able to bring better and faster speeds into the bases themselves, which can bring them more people to switch to the network. Same with AT&T, same with T-Mobile. That's what they're all pursuing. And they all want a piece of the pie. These turn out to be very lucrative in the long term in a big way. And I think it also shows who the federal government has the most trust in and who they choose to be the network representative, as I call it. So let me know what you think about this in the comment section down below. I will leave this article in the description box so you guys can see which of the our Air Force bases they're doing. I don't know if they have listed that in there, but I will leave this in the description down below. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.